Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be planning the week of January 21st to the 27th and I'm using a kit from the Graceful Planner. I purchased this kit during Black Friday and these are the date cover add-ons that came with it. I think I purchased these separately, so they come separate from the kit. I can't remember if I purchased this the full kit or purchased it a la carte. Definitely seems like more than a mini kit, so it was either a la carte or a full kit, but it was a great deal because it was Black Friday. This I believe is the freebie. It was the Black Friday freebie that came with my order. I love this full box, these scalloped headers, the bows, the laptops, the planners, everything is just so beautiful and so functional, and I'm definitely going to be incorporating this freebie into the spread. These are the full boxes that came with the kit, and this is, the name of the kit is Frozen, and the quote box says let it go. Just so perfect. I just think it's beautiful. On this page we've got headers, habit trackers, some checklists, and some half box checklists. On this page, tons of half boxes, and this is so functional, and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this page. I really love this. The way she has this kit laid out is just so perfect for my style of planning. I love this page. You've got some deco and some functional items here, and I love all the flags and different things going on at the top. On this page we've got some full boxes, and this says notes, and this says brain dump. When I was first trying to read this, I'd hauled this on my IG stories, and I could not figure out what that said for the life of me. Initially I thought it was like birthdays. I'm like, no, that can't be birthdays. It took me forever to figure that out. We got some full box checklists, Monday through Sunday tracker, and these are kind of like unique habit trackers and like a schedule tracker. Oh, hydrate, schedule, fitness, duh. It literally says like right at the bottom, it gives you some headers that are options for you to use with these corresponding boxes if you'd like to do that in your sidebar, which is nice that she gives you that option. I typically don't use a hydrate tracker because 99% of what I drink is water, and my schedule is pretty consistent, but that's really awesome. And then on this page, we've got our bottom washi, cut washi, and then some more quarter boxes and tons of label stickers over here. So there's a lot happening in this kit. It's going to be very interesting because this is a really full kit. I know I'm not going to be able to use all of this, but I'm super excited to get started planning this week. And if you would like to see how I use this kit, please just keep watching. I'm going to start my layout by placing down the bottom washi, and this bottom washi is cut into two separate pieces, and I think is so beautiful with the frosted berry print on the larger part and then the bows on the smaller layering piece of bottom washi. Then I'm going to add my date dots to my date covers, and I decided to pull some date dots from an old layout that I'd used last year because I like those date dots better than the ones that came in the kit. I'm putting down page flags from the kit, and they were a little bit small for the to cover up the page flags that were printed on the page, so I had to use some whiteout to cover up those Erin Condren page flags and use the ones that came in the kit. And I'm getting started building my sidebar, starting by placing down the quote sticker that says let it go, and then I was in love with these scalloped headers, and so I wanted to do some layering with those in the sidebar, so I put down that label sticker, added the scalloped header, and I'm using script stickers from Rose Colored Daze. So I'm creating first my school section. This is where I'm going to keep track of the discussion posts that I have to do for school each week. In the next section, I'm going to track my dinners for the week. So I'm putting down another label sticker, adding another scalloped header, and then the meals script sticker is also from Rose Colored Daze, and those are both in silver foil. And then I put down the Monday through Sunday tracker right underneath there so that I could keep track. And then I'm putting down a header strip from the kit and then adding two habit trackers. On the habit trackers, for the one that says workout, that's from Rose Colored Daze, and then I'm putting down an Instagram, and that is from Fancy Sticker Prints. This kit came with some really beautiful deco, and I wanted to pull that into the sidebar. So I'm lifting up that habit tracker and layering one of these floral leaf type stickers right underneath there, and then I'm going to lift up that header and add another leaf sticker there. Then I'm going to take my scissors and cut off where the leaves hang over the side of the page, and then use my craft knife and ruler to trim down the part of the leaves that are leading into Monday, so that way it stays just in the sidebar section. And I thought that came out really pretty. Moving on to Monday, I'm putting down a half box and layering a script sticker that says homework due, and that is from Letters to Apollo. And then I am adding a full box, and I loved it because it looked like a frame, and I thought it would be perfect for adding the holiday, which it was Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and that script sticker is from Artbox Stickers. And then at the top of the page, I'm taking one of the floral decos, cutting it in half and placing it on the side of the box, and then I'm adding a a desktop sticker from the kit, and the work script is from Paper Focus. And I'm just writing down some notes because I knew it was going to be a busy day because my coworker was out, and so I'd have a lot of work on my hands that day. I added a flourish sticker from Sadie Stickers, and then I think this is like a third box, and then that little shield shaped sticker I layered on top of it, along with another Paper Focus sticker that says to buy, to remind myself to buy my Go Wild ticket. I am so excited about going to Go Wild. And now I'm just starting to scatter my full boxes. On Thursday and Tuesday, I put full boxes at the top and layered the scalloped headers on top of them, and then scattered the other full boxes. I kind of do this at random, which I like, and I feel like it adds a little variety to the spread, and I want to switch it up because I feel like I've been placing the boxes in kind of the same place in the last couple of weeks, so I'm going to probably try something different next week. Working on my weekend banner now, and I'm putting down some header strips from the kit because I'm going to use the weekend banner. It says Weekend Vibes, which I thought was so cute, but I wanted to give it something underneath it to kind of anchor it. So I put down those header strips and layered the floral deco piece over it, the other half that I had cut from Monday, and then I'm layering the weekend banner on top of that. Moving back to Tuesday, I'm creating a to-do list for myself. So I'm taking a to-do header from the kit and adding the 3 heart scallop checklist. And I'm going to write down a couple tasks I want to get done at work. And then underneath there, I'm putting a half box, and I'm going to layer a school sticker from Rose Colored Daze on top of that. And I'm going to make a note to do my reading for the week and to get my discussion post done. Underneath there, I'm going to add a label sticker, and then I'm using a script sticker from Letters to Apollo, and it says $2 make me holla. And underneath there, I'm making a note that I want to do my PR post for Artbox Stickers $2 Tuesday. Using a hexagon sticker from the kit and layering a TV sticker from Sticker Bloom, I'm making a note to watch The Passage on Hulu. And then I'm adding one of the flag stickers from the kit and adding the little vacuum cleaner and the To Clean script sticker from Paper Focus. And I'm making a note to clean up the kitchen. I really like when shops have elements in their kit that I haven't used before, and the hexagons were something I hadn't used before in my planning. And so back on Monday, I'm adding another header from the kit, putting down another one of those cute little hexagons, and adding a car icon that actually came from the kit, and making a note to put gas in my car. And then moving on to Wednesday, I'm putting down one of the quarter boxes and marking my midweek post that I want to do on Instagram. In a half box on Wednesday, I'm making a note to search for flights for Go Wild. Then I'm cutting one of the floral pieces in half, layering that down on Wednesday, and putting one of the scalloped headers on top of that. Then I'm going to move over to Thursday. I'm putting down one of the label stickers. We were having a home inspection because we rent our house. We don't buy, so they come in and do like their biannually inspection thing. And then down at the bottom, I'm making a note to plan next week, and that script is from Letters to Apollo, and I layered it over the planner sticker from the deco sheet in the kit. Friday, I marked my payday, and that money stack is from Rose Colored Daze. And I'm putting down another quarter box. I'm not a hairstylist, but I do sometimes do crochet braids for my friends. So I was marking doing a hair appointment for my friend on Friday after work. And then on Sunday, I'm putting down my homework assignment for the week. And then at the top of Sunday, I'm putting down on a half box that I want this Plan With Me video to go live. And so I'm using, again, I really enjoyed using that, like the little shield looking sticker to layer over quarter boxes. I don't know why, but I kept doing it this week. And And then on Saturday, I'm making note we were going to have our family over for a prayer night, and that kind of got canceled because everybody in my family got sick this weekend. It's crazy. But anyways, on Friday, I'm making a note that we're going to be celebrating January birthdays at work, which means we're going to have cake. Always awesome. Back on Wednesday, I'm adding a flower deco from the kit, and then that shopping bag is from Artbox Stickers, and I'm making a note that I want to go to Walmart before work. And then I'm putting down one of the bow clips and making a note to listen to the Uncurated Life podcast. I've really been enjoying that lately. Across from that flower on Wednesday, I'm adding a little cleaning bottle from the kit, and I want to make a note to clean the bathroom, and I'm using a vacuum sticker that was like left over from an Elegant Plans kit that I used previously. I love using my kit leftovers, but of course I was trying to get my house cleaned up and ready for the inspection that was happening on Thursday. And then I put down a little weight sticker, also a leftover from a GP Sticker Studio kit, and the workout script is from Paper Panda. I'm going to pull one more leftover from another GP Sticker Studio kit, and it's got some airplane tickets on there, and I'm going to layer that over that half box where I wrote search for my Go Wild tickets. Back on Thursday, I want to add one of those flourishes from Sadie Stickers right underneath that label sticker. And then I'm going to put down a page flag, and I'm adding a laptop sticker from Artbox Stickers and the work script from Paper Panda. And I'm just kind of putting those two stickers together, and then I'm going to layer it on top of the page flag as I'm creating another to-do list for myself of some things that I wanted to focus on at work. And I take my planner with me to work, and I find it really helpful just to kind of have a quick sheet of like things I want to focus on. Then I'm using another hexagon sticker and a TV icon from Sticker Bloom to because we did like a Hulu binge on the show Blackish. And then I'm putting down that I'm going to biology with one of my coworkers at lunch on Friday, and on Saturday, I am making a note to finish editing and record the voiceover for this Plan With Me video. At the top, I put down one of those scalloped headers, added a flower, and that sleep-in bedding sticker is from GP Sticker Studio. Then I'm putting down another one of those quarter boxes and adding a bow clip, and just marking that on Saturday I wanted to spend some time hanging out with my mom. And then on Sunday I used a laundry basket from the kit, and then the laundry script sticker is from Letters to Apollo. Friday night, I knew I wanted to relax. My husband was going out with his brother, and I wanted to just watch some movies and chill at home. That movie night sticker is from ShawntePlans. And then I'm lifting up the floral deco from above because I wanted to add something else on Friday. I put down a bow sticker from White Deer Stationery, and I'm using my eraser to remove any adhesive residue and just making a note of some important paperwork I needed to do for school. And then on Sunday, I'm adding another one of those flourishes and adding another flower from the kit. And I just wrote plan and chill. Because after I get my homework done, I just want to relax, play around in my planner, and plan next week. So that completes my layout for this week, guys, and I am so happy with how this came out. I think the silver foil was a nice touch for this layout, and I was on the fence about using foil at all on this spread, and I like the fact that I made the decision to not put in silver headers, and I did that consciously because the little bit of silver foil that there is on the page, I wanted it to be very subtle because the kit itself, it had so many great elements, from the scalloped headers to the cut washi that was cut to header size in the different prints that were already included with the kit that I thought were so fantastic, and really wanted to make sure I used those and incorporated those into the layout. I just thought it really toned down the look, and I didn't want it to be bold. I felt like, especially for like my last winter spread, having just much more of a, I don't know if you could kind of give a mood or a feeling to a spread or a layout, but to me it feels very calm, very low-key, and I think that's something that sometimes foil can be very much more bold, and I think this is it's a lot more subtle and a little more subdued, and I don't like that vibe of it. So, and I think it also came out just really elegant and very feminine, and I think the scallops and the little the little details of foil really add to that. So what's left over in the kit, oh, I was so sad. This was the freebie that came with my order, and unfortunately this wasn't really cut through very well, and so I wasn't able to lift up any. Oh, this one lifted, of course. I realized after I'm done, I'm able to lift that sticker. Everything else on the page, though, I could not actually lift up without ruining the sticker itself, and so it was just like peeling because it's not quite cut all the way through, which is disappointing. I was actually going to use this full box instead of this one because I was nervous about how much of the blue and gray there was in this kit and wanted to bring in some more of this berry tone. And this is the same full box, except this one has that berry tone in the background. So I was initially going to use this one, but I couldn't lift it, so I wasn't able to use anything from the freebie. I did, of course, use the date covers. I did not like those date dots, so I decided to use some different date dots. I used most of the full boxes, and not too much on this page, even though I did try to incorporate some of the things. And I love that she offered the shorter 3-heart checklist instead of just having only the 7-heart checklist as an option. Then on this page, did a good job of using, she gave so many amazing half boxes, quarter boxes, and label stickers, and I loved that. Tried to incorporate as much of the deco as possible because it was stunning. The bottom washi, cut washi, so many label stickers, and I didn't use any of these. There were so many things to reach for in sort of this quarter box sized shape sticker in the kit. It was just way more than I could have incorporated into one layout with the way that I plan. And then on this page, I used one sticker. And again, I feel like there's just so many great things here included in this kit. And depending on your planning style, a lot of people would have used this kit probably a lot differently than I did, but I felt like I got good use out of it. Everything that's left over, I'm going to try to pull into other spreads as needed. And that concludes this week's layout. I'm so excited because next week I'll be moving into my February layouts. I've already started working on my first spread for February, and I cannot wait to share that plan with you. I can't wait to share that plan with me video with you guys next week. It's amazing. I'm already obsessed, and I barely just have down like the bottom washi and date covers, and I'm already obsessed with this kit. So I'm super excited about sharing that with you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, I highly recommend it because everything hits Instagram before it hits YouTube. And so my Instagram will be in the description box. That way you guys can keep up with what's going on with me. And I hope you guys are all having an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.